Imagine this. You accidentally mess up your cozy bed. It's one of the most devastating feelings ever. But don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily clean your bedsheet and make it look sparkling new again. Step 1. Toss that dirty bedsheet into a large sink. Sprinkle on some baking soda. Pour in a generous splash of vinegar. Cover it with antibacterial detergent. Use your hands to make sure the bedsheet is fully soaked in the cleaning mix. And there you have it, a perfectly cleaned and sparkling bedsheet.